Nothing, no, nothing. Remember, send the king send for me, no?
Yeah, not do that,
And
nothing.
the king said, no man nothing put the crown on him head.
Yes.
Gaza Nation, we are here to crown the legend, Adija, Azim, Palmer, all hail the king of dancehall, Vibes Cartel!
Let's go!
Let me talk to Keisha then. Let me talk to Keisha then.
It's chilly, I got come dog a 9 point. When you see me pull up dog, the moon
Fly.
one time we did broke dog. Every youth, sing this.
Day
I play where you only remind dog with we up play until the night end.
You tell me say you want a CRV movie.
Here's Sunfest!
Come here.
Don't cry!
Come here.
No.
I don't know what kind of boot that you have. But me say them not bad like your shoeless. Them say corner put out our corner so. Nobody, none of them. Hey, Sunfest. That's Reggae Sumfest, you understand? Cause me can't take the style thing, me a bad boy. Say this step, have it up. And the family first. Sunfest. Go tell me family, me promise. What me do? See you, baby.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nanda. You know it's your boy Nanda and I Billing with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So you know that Sunfest went down last night, night one of Dancehall, and it went on last night to this morning. And you know it was a massive turnout for Sunfest this year, 2025. And we saw where the artists them come on and put on a show for the night and did them very best. But for me, I can definitely come to the conclusion and my own judgment by saying that Govana took the night for me with the set list, with the performance, with the creativity. Everything was well put together. The crowd reaction and everything. He came on and set the pace for the crowd and the audience. I can definitely say that Govana was one for the night. So me have some clippings and some highlights more and share with you, the viewers and the subscribers. All I want to ask you guys to do for me is make sure to like, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, so whenever I drop a new content, you guys can be the first to be notified. So without further ado, let's just jump right into some of the highlights of the night of night one Reggae Sumfest 2025. Let's go. So the first highlight that I have for you guys is Govana, the man that took the show for the night for me. And trust me, after watching Govana's performance, I am definitely impressed. It was impressive and it was well put together. So just watch the clippings and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Share your thoughts in the comment section about Govana's performance. Watch this.
I want them around joke with. Fool now, talking about man please. But it's in a place for a job my ear. Put it in that top black, my man please. Till I make real with the hand cock here. Girl pass to the breast and I'm straight. Love talk up them, she don't make it club stay. Me hold the man, the ball, the man, the bag. Jump out with the big man. Boom, shot boy and the response. 15 that you win. Yo, my beer. You hear me? I say you're up a pen. Yo, Southport, Canterbury, Strike Force there, you hear that? In the morning, you have big energy. Big energy. In the morning, you what? Big energy. In the morning, you what? Big energy. Jump out with the big man. Boom, shot boy, and the response. Hey, watch him armor man style on ya. Oh, the girl a big old girl now when you used to go there. Hey, idiot boy, you must see man. Yo, Sunfest, me and all and me ex them good. I must have jumped in there. What did you get up in the shit? This is from the together. Boy, me love the girl, but me never trust. The time I fall out, my sour was busted.
Till the kaki ay, morning sir. Till the kaki ay, morning sir. Till the kaki ay.
Listen. Good night, ladies. Good night, ladies. Me gonna run that test to the woman there. Yo, A man ever mad over yet, baby? A man ever stalker yet, baby? You have to block a boy and him kind of find the next number for call you. You know why? God, baby. Girl, you born with the grip pussy party. This is for you. Give it him that. And give it him. Mama talk to Keisha there. Oh. Sorry, my G, like the wrong number this.
No, a Keisha phone, man, but on a Keisha, it's a first.
Oh, what about my G? Is it good? Why free?
You know, me there, you want to flip and scotch with the IG.
Yeah.
She'll be there, you chill like ice cream in a iced tea. But I would say you know pop up on the call ID.
But they get them sugar cane, man, they got the nutty body.
Me don't know who that. Bombard, walk on me DJ.
Yeah.
You know, real that for the PMP, them real PJ.
What?
But the girl is say, I think the girl is song, them the real way.
Yes, sir.
Girl clown, listen that for about 3 days.
Pick up yourself, man, Chris, you know what I'm thing.
Yeah.
No, for them boy, you eat that girl thing. Feel like a champ right now. Smiling to the bank right now. Shining at the plants right now. We'll start up the dimmer. We never feel a moment. We not done today yet. Good then, forward it. Next song. Next song. Come here. Ball man. Yeah man. Look here now. Jesse, you can find it. You can put it up there, Jesse. I don't know where I come from.
Talk to them.
One look at board house we used to live. A Federal and Rochester Road, yeah? You tell me, say, you want a CRV. You tell me, say, you want a CRV, mommy.
Here's Sunfest.
Come here.
Don't cry.
Come here.
Don't bring
Come here. Come here.
Masicka.
One up for your key. When I reach back at town, you're going to drive out the van. Cry, man.
Jesus.
Cry if you want to cry, yeah? Now guess what? We tell the poor story.
Performance.
In a poor story.
This is performance.
We tell the poor story. The youth have been up on the road, me drop the wind up on the door.
Yeah, yeah.
Me turn me tear just in a go to put me on the honor roll.
Yeah, yeah.
Right now we're raving. Yes, now we're not touch for savings. But he never come for save.
Yeah, man, viewers and subscribers, that is Govana, you know, with a touching performance. And definitely, this performance was so memorable, I want to remember for the night. And that is just my opinion, you know, when me say and when me feel, you know. Govana gave the best performance last night. But you guys let me know in the comment section, let me know if you think that was worthy and was one of the best performances of the night. But let's jump to another performance, people. So after Govana's massive performance, it was Jamal who took the stage right after, and he did a great performance also. He did a good performance, I would say. But you know, because he didn't perform over the bands, he was saying that he was late or something, so the bands didn't get to help him on his set, or I'm not sure if it was that he never did come a rehearsal or whatever, but he was saying that because him late, he never get to perform over the band, so he ended up performing over the track. So listen to where Jamal said a go on with, and let me know what you think in the comment section. If you think Jamal a grow or him need more work. So listen and watch it.
3. Hello. Sunfest. I want dance man this in my real life. Had the Ballon d'Or boss. Every true believer. Them say the bands now work with me come late. As usual, when we represent. Over here so, millions. Alright, here so too. Millions. What go on? Millions. Over here so no, millions. Sunfest, millions. Where we are bang for? Millions. I want dance man in a Sunfest. That's me jury across bite. Clean like me paid with the Scotch Brite. New episode of the stoplight. The 535 that high. Welcome to the trap life. $12,000 get a fat ride. Have a war span a bang up on a landline. Every day a man chop and I know sometime. Gucci suit in a me half white night. Cup of brick and a nothing for we go. Yeah. Show me car there in Alien. Look on me shoulder at the clothes of the way. Designer for the and I go. Show me. Performance! Every true believer when no cap. Make me see this a sign ya. In a Sunfest. Chop up and show me carry an island. Look for me jewelry and clothes and wear. Designer 50 years I make a monster. Every believer. We make you rain one way. We make you money rain one way. X4 them a skate one way. And then sound like when they spray 1K. 5 mil a week, chop and never frustrate. Jump on the leads and touch a hot state. Don't send girl as if you broke in our place, in our face. Mommy, get a heartbroken. After we run at them a transporter. We lock the game like a controller. The thing what ball. Shows box portal. 3. Stop it.
Proper.
Stop it.
Proper.
Scene. Good morning, Sunfest. Body and stay saying. What go on around this? Remember me no like selector. Uno do. 3. Embassy girls are drugs. Take no money do. Take no money do.
Shall look in no.
Just watch me money so.
Shall look in no.
A Ballandor boss man. How we change the pace in a dance song. How we say dance for a reason. So we don't say ambitious. Help me tell poverty this. Don't tell poverty R.I.P. Money is all I see because we live in a 3. Money for me suit for come work for you. Remember me can't read so me practice good hygiene. A 399 code. We say poverty we a tell what? Hello? Poverty R.I.P. Money is all I see because we live in a we too done to show ID. Remember we got face out PPT, you went time with that quick up all. Turn the skull in a run among she favor. Coffee money anywhere at some country here. And alone Benjamin bust down with share. Mountain in the all of time punk she paper. 2 phone connected a yellow and stop. Dash.
So yeah, my people, there you have it, you know, that is Jamal 1 Dunce Man 3-9 Boss. And you know, let me know in the comment section what you think about his performance, because after watching his performance, I definitely think that he needs a lot more work to be done. But you know, I'm fresh in the game and him young and him do him think him have more years ahead of him to really master the craft or the art of him old performance set. But you know, let me know what you think in the comment section. Share your thoughts, you know it, go ahead, man. Let's just jump right into another performance set. So after Jamal took the stage, right after that it was Masicka who graced the stage with a massive performance also. But you know, there was some glitches here and there in his performance, because I don't know, there were probably some altercation behind stage, because Masicka said that this Sunfest was gonna be his last Sunfest. I don't know what took place behind stage, but Jano, viewers and subscribers, just watch Masicka performance. Tell me what you think about his performance, because some parts of his performance I can definitely say that he was running out of breath, or he was just not feeling it. I don't know if it was because of whatever happened behind the stage. But you guys share your thoughts in the comment section, watch his performance and let me know what you guys think.
You understand? Because I can't take the style thing. Me a bad boy. Ready now, Jummy?
Ground them.
Hold on. Let me see some phone light. What me I talk about? Phone light! Count up a million the first time I never look back in a car in a reverse. Poverty is the first time and the me say me I'm baddest artist. I mean that.
Them dumb.
Why you give me the severance now, my best friend? Hey, let's have it down, Papa, and say I'm dead. Can I take it, put it on the bed side? Now, focus, don't bed side. Now, you don't have to take on money. See a gunshot and it up.
Them dumb.
Lay down, fat it and I say, man. Chip, and die. Hey, they say me not a farm. Louis V don't know fat farm, it's not fat it up. When me say you're a farm, yeah, me mash up any plant. Grown a sort of, see no cold up motor, ice because I'm a crimson. You can't give me the seven. The farm. From Madonna to Cut this bag of talking and put a house up on the hill and touch them girl a half pin. I dance become the rivals. This a talking. Motivate the street and tell the ghetto youth to talk. Tap farm basket and car fabric. Answer. One the gentleman come and dance skin because the shots of fire them. One of them is stop off here. Can't complain. Our life are not the same. No more things right. But people are dead. Tell me when I talk about changes in changes. And some things are changes in life. What I mean, Tom? Don't you be naive in what? Me not beg no credit for no boy, no time at all. Me a one boy, me hold me one every time. All I would know say them not beg no friend. Give me some seconds. Kyle and Fee up, tell me. Tell them I'm born this time. Me a looking at Sunfest. And see we tell us even though me have them gyal at the yard, but the behavior house. Tell her give me them life, I'm not dead. I'm not dead. She just walk me no left, and that she afraid of mother. Look at mine. Come in a bun bush weed, and at them grades a gyal a drop. Sing on the mic, I rock them phrase there. When the gyal is them in the crowd in a Sunfest. What me a talk about? Image, sign up me getting heavy. Kind of feel up, you know me all about it. Tell them I'm born for star. And she will tell us it's all about it. Sign up me getting every girl in eye.
More hits. More hits. Sunfest on the other. One side boss.
Hey man, I live fiesta.
Motada.
From Mountain Gucci Mountain. Me pull up on the big and motor. Sorry that this man has come motor. Motor. And me no mix and me not total. One phone call. A one phone call.
Shut it!
When you say ready again?
Lock time them ready. More hits fine. I don't want you bust you. I'll send you to the world.
Balance it. Yeah, boom, boom, said I want you bust me and send me to the world. I'm gonna be a fussy boss. All of the gangsters them in the street when I take the violation. Let me see something else.
Rise the gun on them.
If you stand up beside of your friend and nobody can violate you. Let me sing that song.
Can I cry?
7. Oh, gas them up and they come bust the ceiling down. What the kid on them? Dog up and they pick up. We don't plan. One of these chanting at me. Hit the finger. What's the ceiling down? Go on and simple as just in the dark and the violent. You could tell like them could have passed than that. Who are you sure? 7. What's the ceiling down? Them in a dog bed. She got a piece of big cake and in a day. What the fucking cannot listen. You are dead. Can I say something else again?
Pop for them.
Me say me a look right there, so me can say something else again. Give me a low mix. Me say the boy them start it and them a go there.
Roberto Carlos Salva.
Me do sex so they don't put me in. When me cell phone there, make a small call. Cocoa time roll out, couple tall. That big bad light.
That's all.
Me find it. Me 357. Hey boy, all if you live a country, you in dead, now when you're too far, balance it. All me need the thing full and get a bad driver. Head shell and sped shell and man a jam like.
Dog up something. One side.
Them down bad.
Squeeze. I'm here, my ladies them time, you know.
Ladies, where you at?
I'm here the time to a girl them time, you know. All my beautiful ladies, can you scream for me, please? Oh. You don't have to call my baby and tell her more time, sir. You tell me last night, say this is the last time. Say you want me fuck you like you come in the rascal. Put up on the bed, on the edge where you start one. Mark my words, you want something with them can. One in a million, best pussy of all time. Love it when you dip and give me cocky your fast shine. Pussy bring joy. When you can't help me sing it, you know me tell her, say you're such a blessing, girl. I would have fuck you for the rest of mine. You're such a blessing, girl. I would have fuck you for the rest of mine. You're such a blessing, girl. Would have touch you for the rest of mine. You're such a blessing. Brrr.
Ladies, how you feeling? Can you scream, my lady?
All about you, love.
See that?
All of the good pussy, girl. Let me show now, yes. Let me see all of the ladies on my way of saying that stuff. Who wants to see every good body girl and we have no stuff this right now? Mix me low. Really like features, feel the fine features.
Spend my life with you.
Not time for us, a fight for us. I would not spend my life with you. Young king, no pretender. Something to remember. She hunting for a spender. Hold on. The world race when you enter, you're pretty like a daddy, can you please let me say? See you told me go jail and what a skin tender, you look like me then. She gon' surrender, I gon' caress you. Best friend, yeah. The loving I extend, yeah. You me want, I know where them say. Feel like love for the first time. I love my girl in a real life. I like man, them I love them girl. Let me see some signals when I hear. I like warrior, them I love them girl in a Sunfest. Let me see some signals so. We fun both man, balance it. One on. Really like features, feel the fine features. Spend my life for you, die for us, fight for us. I would have spent my life for you. A young king, no pretender. A something to remember. She hunting for a spender. Yes, I want it. You got the good pussy. Can I plant it? You know that you drive me. Yes, I want it. You got the good pussy. Can I? Baby, that body that I'm most wanted. Can your body fat is like it starts swell. Mess around and give her that my heart shell. No, say girl a wicked but me nah lie. Believe all the lies like you. All the true you know if you ride it off well. Maybe true you something. And I get on my band, me not tell no lie on that. In a heart I carry so. I'm a promise my mother said I have to make it up. I have to get rich. No boy no determine my future. No girl no determine my future. A jar guy. All I would know say a jar guy in a Sunfest. Let me tell her that. We get the 6 7 count and the live high. All the music there. I'm a soon now we are. Don't tell them there. Don't tell them there. We are.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible. Believe. I can do it. Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible.
Good morning, Bobo. Good morning, my brother. Hey, listen up it. Listen up it.
Looking and crying.
Sleep on the floor. But from a band, must have gone for the riches. 7th, man a soldier, so me get a rough life. Mother Sam, ready for the fight. Water commission, pressure bus pipe. I turn it up a notch, cheddar must die. I'm brother man a face the weather just like you. So when you see me na the leather down bad mind. Work hard, me never bad find you. Crips in a cup, girl on the front seat, you know what? Give me back that, don't stop it. And give me it low. Mix me low. At the same old book, same old dirty boy, same old crook. From high school days, with all the place, everything.
Looking and
Sunfest, Sita. Ready? This and the race, this hand and the music catch it. Women say they money no matter than me. Yeah, me a big like him, but this Lord wanna suck on the mother that know me. See a truth on his head. Now watch this crowd now freak on me. Wish you forgive me for living like this. And if me ever call you up, I just feel all me up. Fire on my soul, them couldn't call me up. Rolling up, well, once I'm a ground me rough. They call me.
So that was Masicka viewers and subscribers. Wanna let me know what you think in the comment section if his performance was worthy and well put together. Share your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think. But on to the other performances though, viewers and subscribers.
Run up on the block, see the man. Anybody hear this? I go feeling. I know play beat and play. This so fuck come and make top people. Me boom over fence and please don't kill a play the road. And if you don't come a road you think a laughing thing that push my gun in your face and squeeze up. Guns and bomb buckler one another. Hear me I say the Sunfest. We are getting the place more in a man and I understand. You understand? Cause some come out with no big pen boy, all of them are dead boy, but I rise up in iron. We send for the whole of one dead back January. Sunfest! Your matter of a crutch shut away from your shutter man. I am here to tell you that. I straight out that funny story I come from. A bag of gunman we are buying. Any casing? Turn it up! All that's being done. Every gun's up, every killer mass up. Chop up on the men board, does the crack. Does the man not for dead? No, say you must man. Bang of them a jack phone. And a boy be a gun. Fully dark, fully charge and fully crab up this thing. Go get the place, mother, now. Reggae Sumfest, when you ready? Hello mate, a funny hard Monday now you. We no cuss a we no. Get straight to the from the day now you. Tell them none of them. Never telling now you. Done now you. One other plus Skeng, one Skeng down, one dance beat up. And if you feel like say we no do action, good man, put the kayak back. I'm my style, man. Better know what time, pan. None of us same plan, baby, last pan. Done in on it. Them they know. More, it's not good over there. I'm saying, look at Mr. Guy, any prim stick, good man, make a miss the apartment, bitch. There's something that me love, bad bitch. Watch out now! What that I need is the whole place shaking. The gas split for the gun, man! Baby, you want this number those pirates, dog, all of us on this, you know. Shock us everything one in the top and bad when you will do this half thing, killer them brawling now and killer. What the man did there, that's something! Make it free up, you know! What did I see here? Jesus Christ, mother! Girl, come and make a talk about this. Oh, you set a cup in a cape panty. Say you have a man and then tell about this. Buy a couple jars and couple ropes. It's a girl and a tricky shit and I'm still feeling. Smooth ship sailing. And a 12 furlong. I'm a short knee, better make your life on this. You got the curves in our waist. Pretty face, you're modern for this. Be a face, child, as you say.
So yeah, viewers and subscribers, that is Skeng's segment, you know, Skeng. You guys let me know in the comment section what you think about Skeng's performance. So let's just jump right into the Tamale set performance and tell me what you guys think. I think this is the last part of the performance. Tamale was the one who closes the show. So you guys watch Tamale's performance and tell me what you guys think.
Demon timing, father. A demon timing right about now. I want to see phone like them in a Sunfest. Why no all the way? I shift change, you know. Operation time, you know. You know RGS. I don't know your boss, Bossa Blanca. Oh, buckler, shut a man now, my father. We got the bomb around here. First class. Oh, time up does a good man if you do the action. Turn them flat. Demon in the long shot. No, them a do carry feet. Them but feet on my tone. Everything is shot. Go on! Then I run them black. Yo, when the full of them have to get money. Yo, I'm falling out of the tree. And I tears on the side. Yeah. Protocol we have all jet shop. Mulligan pop, whole place get hot. Rings out everything. And a point that I let up in a boy head, boy. Everybody jump. I'm talking to the boy. Man, tree, Bossa Blanca. Go. That motherfucker. People. More check for the green. I don't know the green. More check on the one. Everybody, go. You do ready to party game, be ready. You do ready to party game. That's Plaza. That's Sparta. Everybody, we are playing the notebook. Then to get in the sea of my water. Doesn't set me as a free man. Everybody was a some feel I was stepping out of the field. Everybody stop. Yes. And it's me fighting on this spear. All who respect Roy Boss, I'm seeing them in here. All who say Gaza. Yo, Gaza man crazy. No, everybody, got some boats in the links. I feel like the links on the train. Y'all don't mess with the brain. Don't make me feel. Some boy left here, dog. Uno singing the other man. Level. Oh, so much wild, hey. Stocking up the paper till it drink the sky. Because let's see it. The music is her son, I get that. You feeling that? We want paper, pick up our money maker. I can't, I look. We don't want to. Well, I know a family. Money make. I don't know what you're talking about. Money make. Some things are whatever. Then my iPad push me. Level. I don't know that I like rapists. Let me see on the magazine. I don't know that I like rapists. Let me see on the magazine. You see any boy try rape a mobby, eh? They got the superintendent them when I run the place good. Any boy feeling can violate and mash up the place. You know I'm going to reach them and rape a man then. Everywhere we want in this time, people. You feel like that? Them never like away. Them never.
So there you have it, viewers and subscribers. That is Sparta, Tommy Lee, the Sparta boss. And him come give the Mobile fans them a set and know that a for him hometown, for him home ground. And him come put on a show for you people. But you let me know on the thing in the comment section if him delivered to the Sunfest fans or the Sunfest crowd. Let me know on the thing in the comment section. But also he was making a statement, making some comments as it pertains to the youths that were coming at the stadium, coming at the show, a pickpocket and a pick the people them and a cause the stampede. So listen what him did have to say about all of that.
I say, big up to everybody in our place. The people them are running a stampede down the place, brother. I make them want like have a show. The pickpocket them want to stop car stampede. I will not do it. A car stampede and a pickpocket pocket. You have thump on the throat. I want to stop him my youth. Can I like make you go like off a dance, bad man? How much so many people hurt them youth? No one I do. The boy says, Zane, big up the whole mobile. I'm not telling you, I'm proud of you. Let's kill him go on this year. I don't know them proud. Let me see you, I'm not here. Big up the community flanker. Nobody not dead forward. Never stop rhythm. I'm more telling the youth. When you don't do it early, I have to say it. When you know it right. We got enough funeral and everything. Full time for us grow up now, you understand? Then look at Pitney how I grow across blood them, I have to know what I do with them. Can't make NTS blood. Keep them positive youth. I want to say how big up the superintendent them do a good job. You know one time when somebody do something, they used to kill shark for fish. I lie? Why for fish? No. A new strategy, I like it. First time if somebody gonna do something, them kill a man don't know about you are bigger. No, a man won't turn up for them own problem. And that me respect. You understand? So if a man knows him keep up foolishness, in the pan him own. You understand? That's how if we start running a thing, brother. I love how Moby I go on. Police them do a good job, me not lie. Big up on yourself. You understand? Yeah man, the place are going good. I can't come now and come work. I want him more on the spread, man. More on the spread, he say. Tamale turn coward, more on the spread. Because police don't know I'm turn coward. Jump ready, you know. Maybe I'm going to look more time, officer. Because people them now cause them a stampede. And guess what? They must have a lot of it. I have few artists to call up. You know, after I call them up, I can't do and I do anything on the CLR. Anything.
So yeah, my viewers and subscribers, that was it for Tamale, because shortly after the show, it ended up cut abruptly because, the police them said time. Everything is on a timely basic and a timely manner. So the show did ended up finish abruptly, but that was it for the whole night of Reggae Sumfest night 1. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section, share your thoughts, and always remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell. So whenever I drop a new content, you guys can always be the first to be notified. So go already, man. A vibes and inside with Nando. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.